What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's SM here, and today, we're diving into the 5 best cities for real estate investing, places with explosive growth and real potential to build your wealth. I've done the research, crunched the numbers, and talked to local experts to bring you this list. For each city, I'll share a pro-level buying tip to help you get ahead of the competition. If you're serious about building wealth through real estate, you're in the right place. Let's jump in. First up, Austin, Texas. Known as the Silicon Hills, Austin is transformed from a quirky college town into one of the hottest tech hubs in the country. Austin's tech boom is legendary. Apple, Google, Oracle, and Tesla are all here, fueling job growth and a massive influx of new residents. The city's reputation for innovation and its vibrant culture have made it a magnet for both startups and established giants, creating a dynamic ecosystem that keeps expanding. This means high rental demand and strong appreciation, but the secret's out, and competition is fierce. With so many people flocking to Austin, finding a great deal in the city center is tougher than ever, and bidding wars are now the norm. So don't chase overpriced homes downtown. Prices have skyrocketed and returns are shrinking for those who buy at the peak. Instead, target suburbs along major commuter corridors, Leander, Pflugerville, and Round Rock. These areas offer more affordable entry points and are quickly becoming the next hotspots for both renters and buyers. These areas are seeing huge infrastructure investment and are magnets for families and tech workers seeking space and good schools. New developments, shopping centers, and parks are popping up, making these neighborhoods even more attractive. You'll get a better entry price and higher appreciation potential as these communities grow. Early investors often see the biggest gains as demand rises and neighborhoods mature. Consider multi-family properties like duplexes or fourplexes for more stable cash flow. These properties let you diversify your rental income and reduce risk. If one tenant leaves, you still have others paying rent. This safety net can help you weather vacancies and keep your investment profitable. The key, don't follow the herd, anticipate where growth is heading. Look for up-and-coming neighborhoods before everyone else catches on. That's how you win in Austin. Smart investors get in early and ride the wave of growth. Find the overlooked value, and you'll be ahead of the curve. Stay curious, do your homework, and don't be afraid to look where others aren't. Let's move to the next city and see where the next big opportunity is waiting. Next up, we're heading to Raleigh, North Carolina, a city that's often overlooked but is quietly making waves in the world of tech and innovation. Raleigh is steadily transforming into an East Coast powerhouse thanks in large part to the presence of Research Triangle Park. This area is home to major tech giants like Cisco and IBM, as well as countless startups, fueling a steady stream of high-paying tech and biotech jobs that are drawing talent from all over the country. Despite this rapid growth, property prices here remain surprisingly reasonable compared to other tech hubs. That means your investment dollar stretches further, letting you get more house and more potential return for your money. The rental market is robust, fueled by the presence of major universities like NC State, Duke, and UNC Chapel Hill. There's a constant influx of students, recent graduates, and young professionals, all looking for quality places to live. Here's the smart play. Focus on homes that appeal to rent-by-choice tenants. These are young professionals who want flexibility, modern amenities, and a lifestyle that matches their ambitions. Think gyms, pools, and stylish interiors. Look for townhomes or single-family homes in neighborhoods with easy commutes to both downtown Raleigh and Research Triangle Park. Suburbs like Cary and Morrisville are especially popular, offering a blend of convenience and community. Properties with an extra room for a home office are in high demand, as remote and hybrid work remain the norm for many professionals. Don't forget to market your property's lifestyle perks: proximity to parks, trendy restaurants, and of course, blazing fast internet. These features are huge selling points for today's renters. Buy with the needs of Raleigh's growing professional class in mind, and you'll attract top-tier tenants who are willing to pay premium rents for the right space. Raleigh is a value play with long-term upside, offering both stability and the potential for impressive appreciation as the city continues to grow. So, if you're looking for a hidden tech gem with real estate potential, Raleigh deserves a spot on your radar. Now let's move on to city number 3. Third, Tampa, Florida, a city that's quickly becoming one of the hottest real estate markets in the country. Tampa's booming, its revitalized downtown, a diversifying economy, and the huge perk of no state income tax are drawing in new residents and businesses from all over the country. The city's sunny weather and vibrant lifestyle are also big attractions, making it a magnet for both young professionals and retirees. The population is surging, driving up both rents and home prices. Demand is outpacing supply, and that's creating fierce competition for homes, especially in the most desirable neighborhoods. For investors, the key is to avoid bidding wars on perfect turnkey homes, which can quickly eat into your returns and make it tough to find a good deal. Instead, look for value-add opportunities in well-located but less flashy neighborhoods like Seminole Heights, where you can still find homes with untapped potential. Find older homes that need cosmetic updates, think fresh paint, new flooring, updated kitchens, and modernized bathrooms. These improvements can make a huge difference in both value and rentability. Use the BRRR method, buy, rehab, rent, refinance, repeat, to maximize your returns and recycle your capital into more deals. Force appreciation with smart renovations, rent at a premium, then refinance to pull out your capital. This strategy lets you keep growing your portfolio without constantly needing new cash. This lets you scale quickly and build wealth fast, taking advantage of Tampa's upward momentum. Tampa's growth, strong rental demand, and tax advantages make it a top pick for investors looking for both cash flow and appreciation. Focus on properties where you can add value, and watch your returns multiply as the city continues to thrive. Now, let's head west for our next city. Phoenix is up next, and it's got its own unique opportunities. Fourth, Phoenix, Arizona. Phoenix is exploding with growth, major companies, new jobs, and a steady stream of new residents. The supply can't keep up with demand, so rents and home values are rising fast. The smart move? Target new construction single-family homes in master-planned suburbs like Buckeye, Queen Creek, or Surprise. Work directly with builders. Sometimes you'll get incentives or bulk deals. New homes mean lower maintenance costs and attract families looking for stability. These communities offer great schools and amenities, making them magnets for long-term tenants. Families tend to stay longer, giving you steady cash flow. Don't get caught up in bidding wars for old homes. Go where the growth is happening now. Phoenix offers both appreciation and reliable rental income. Let's wrap up with our final city. Nashville is next. Last up, Nashville, Tennessee. Nashville's not just about music anymore. It's a booming hub for healthcare, tech, and major corporate expansions. No state income tax and a vibrant culture are attracting young, affluent residents. The real estate market is hot, but downtown and trendy neighborhoods are pricey. The smart play: look to East Nashville and similar up-and-coming areas. Target small, multi-family properties, duplexes, triplexes, or homes with potential for a detached accessory dwelling unit, DADU. Multiple income streams mean stronger cash flow and less risk. Renovate or build a DADU to maximize returns. You can rent to long-term tenants or, where allowed, short-term visitors. This strategy lets you benefit from both gentrification and Nashville's ongoing growth. Invest where the next wave is heading, not where everyone already is. Now let's talk next steps. There you have it, the top 5 U.S. cities for real estate investment: Austin, Raleigh, Tampa, Phoenix, and Nashville. Each offers unique opportunities, but smart strategy is key. Use this video as a starting point, but always do your own research. Analyze neighborhoods, run the numbers, and talk to local experts. Never invest in something you don't fully understand. If you found this valuable, hit that like button and subscribe for more. Which city are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.